Want kitchen gadgets so good they feel chef-approved? These viral finds make cooking faster, cleaner, and way more satisfying with almost no effort. From smart prep tools to clever upgrades, they level up any kitchen instantly. All product links are in the description below. This frozen drink maker uses a spinning auger and cooling system to freeze liquids evenly for smooth, icy results. Just pour in wine, juice, soda, coffee, or chocolate milk, and let it work its magic. One-touch controls handle temperature and texture, turning drinks into slush in as little as 15 minutes. For sugar-free recipes, simply add a recommended sweetener to get the perfect freeze. Cooking and draining just got easier. This smart frying pan comes with a built-in strainer, so you can cook pasta, veggies, or meatballs and drain excess water or oil with a press of a button. No extra colander needed. A non-stick ceramic coating makes food slide right out while keeping things healthy and easy to clean. The stainless steel base spreads heat evenly across gas, electric, or induction cooktops for perfect results every time. With a heat-resistant handle that feels great in your hand, it's a pan built for both everyday cooking and chef-level meals. Love dumplings but hate the prep work? This electric dumpling maker does the folding for you. Just place the wrapper and filling, press a button, and in seconds, you've got perfectly shaped dumplings. It offers both automatic and manual modes, so beginners and pros can use it with ease. USB rechargeable and easy to clean, it seals edges tightly so your dumplings never fall apart. Serving snacks has never looked this elegant. This 3-tier stand holds fruit, cakes, or appetizers with style, and the rotating bowls make everything easy to reach. When the party's over, it folds down flat for simple storage. Made of durable plastic, it's lightweight yet sturdy enough for everyday use. Whether for family dinners or big celebrations, this stand makes your table look instantly more inviting. Why reach for a dull knife when one tool can handle it all? These heavy-duty kitchen shears cut through chicken, veggies, herbs, and even tough packaging with ease. The ergonomic grip makes them comfortable for long prep sessions, and cleanup is simple. Just toss them in the dishwasher. You even get a bonus pair designed specifically for cracking shells and peeling shrimp. One set, endless uses in the kitchen. Rain or shine, you can grill indoors without the smoke. This smart 6-in-1 machine grills, air fries, roasts, bakes, broils, and even dehydrates, all in one sleek design. The built-in thermometer takes the guesswork out of cooking, giving you perfect doneness every time. With hot cyclonic air and a searing grill plate, you still get those char-grilled marks and flavors you love. Plus, it air fries with way less fat. No more hunting for the right spoon. This adjustable measuring spoon lets you measure both wet and dry ingredients with a single tool. Just slide the handle to pick the amount you need, and you're set. Clear markings make it easy to read, so you'll always get the recipe right. It even comes apart for a quick clean and is dishwasher safe for everyday use. Healthy gut, homemade style. This probiotic yogurt maker lets you craft your own yogurt packed with live cultures right at home. Adjustable temperature and time controls give you the perfect environment for trillions of probiotics to thrive. It comes with multiple jars, so you can prep different flavors at once. Fresh, creamy, and way more affordable than store-bought. This is gut-friendly goodness you make yourself. Happy hour just got smarter. This cocktail machine mixes bar-quality drinks in seconds. No bartender needed. Just pop in a capsule, choose your drink strength, and press a button. It works with your favorite liquor bottles, so you can keep the flavors you love. Cleanup is simple with self-rinsing parts and dishwasher-safe accessories. making it as effortless as the drinks it creates. Tired of struggling to cut even slices of meat by hand? This manual slicer makes it simple. With 17 sharp blades, one push gives you 18 perfect slices, ready for hot pot, BBQ, or meal prep. You can switch between thin or thicker cuts and even dice or shred by changing the angle. It's sturdy, easy to clean, and turns fresh meat into neatly prepped portions in minutes. Who says snacks can't be stylish? This triple candy machine lets you store 3 different treats in one rotating dispenser. Fill it with jelly beans, gumballs, or even peanuts. The fingertip lever makes grabbing a handful quick and easy. The lid pops off for effortless refilling, and the base twists off for cleaning. Perfect for parties, movie nights, or just keeping your sweet tooth satisfied. Cutting grapes one by one? That's ancient history. This handy slicer lets you load up small fruits like grapes, cherry tomatoes, or strawberries and slice them in seconds with a simple push. The blades are hidden inside, so it's safe and mess-free. No juice splashing everywhere. Perfect for fruit salads, party platters, or decorating cakes. You'll never look at prep work the same way again. Say goodbye to funky fridge smells once and for all. This clever deodorizer doesn't just mask odors, it breaks them down at the source, keeping your food fresher for longer. No chemicals, no fragrances, no power needed, just pop it in and let it work. Made from sleek stainless steel, it lasts up to 10 years without replacement. Small, stylish, and powerful, it's fresher air made effortless. Snack prep just leveled up. This premium dehydrator gives you 15 stainless steel trays to dry everything from beef jerky to fruit chips to homemade dog treats. The rear fan keeps airflow even, so every tray dries consistently without rotating. A digital timer and precise temperature control let you set it and forget it. Quiet, powerful, and easy to clean. It's a game changer for healthy homemade snacks. Nothing beats the smell of freshly ground coffee. This smart grinder uses stainless steel burrs to deliver perfectly even grounds, giving you rich flavor in every cup. With 15 grind settings, you can go from fine espresso to coarse cold brew in seconds. Just press once and it remembers your last setting. Super convenient. The hopper holds plenty of beans, and the anti-static container keeps the process neat and mess-free. The good ice is finally yours at home. This Smart Nugget ice maker creates chewable, crunchable cubes that stay flavorful and refreshing in every drink. You'll get your first batch in minutes, and it can keep producing ice all day long. The water tank is easy to fill and clean, with no outside hookup needed. Built-in Wi-Fi even lets you schedule ice from your phone or with voice commands. Why wait in line at a cafe when you can make barista-style drinks at home? This 8-in-1 frother whips up silky foam for lattes, cappuccinos, and even cold coffee creations. It works with dairy and non-dairy milk, so everyone's covered. The smart program controls heat and speed, giving you perfect froth without burning. Cleanup is a breeze with its non-stick, easy-to-wash design. Why settle for store-bought when you can fizz up your own drinks at home? This smart soda maker lets you choose still water or 3 levels of sparkling, all at the push of a button. You can pick your cup size, add flavors, and even mix 2 together for something totally unique. With over 25 flavors to explore, the combos are endless. And the CO2 system is simple to install and replace, keeping the bubbles flowing anytime. Fresh juice, minus the effort. This stainless steel electric citrus juicer packs a powerful motor but runs quietly and efficiently. Just press down the soft grip handle and it does the work for you. No twisting, no mess. The built-in filter keeps out seeds and pulp, so every glass is smooth and refreshing. With a sleek stainless design, it looks as good on your counter as the juice tastes in your glass. Dessert night just leveled up. This 7-in-1 ice cream maker whips up ice cream, gelato, sorbet, milkshakes, and even smoothie bowls at the touch of a button. You control the ingredients, so it's perfect for dairy-free, low-sugar, or extra indulgent treats. Toss in your favorite mix-ins, chocolate, fruit, candy, for a flavor that's all yours. With one-touch programs and a re-spin option, you'll get creamy perfection every single time. Messy countertops are a thing of the past. This smart cutting board and knife set keeps everything clean, dry, and organized with its built-in drying holder. Just wash your knives and boards, pop them in, and let the system do the rest. Color-coded boards make it easy to keep raw meat, fish, veggies, and cooked foods separate. Sleek, modern, and space-saving, it's a smart upgrade for any kitchen. Peeling veggies doesn't have to be a chore anymore. This electric peeler does the hard work for you. Just place your potato, apple, or zucchini on the base and watch the skin glide off in seconds. The non-slip base keeps it steady, and spare blades are stored right inside for when you need them. No mess, no effort, just perfectly peeled produce every time. No more babysitting the grill. This wireless meat thermometer tracks your cook from anywhere with unlimited range. 2 smart probes measure doneness with lab-level accuracy, so you never have to guess again. The base displays everything clearly, while Wi-Fi and Bluetooth keep the connection stable. It even predicts when your meal will be ready, so you can relax and enjoy perfect results every time. Fresh pineapple is delicious, but cutting it can be a sticky nightmare. This stainless steel corer takes the hassle away by slicing and coring in one smooth motion. Just twist, and you'll have perfect rings in seconds, ready for snacking or desserts. The non-slip handle makes it easy to use, and the parts separate for quick cleaning. Safe, fast, and way more fun than wrestling with a knife. Chop, fold, and pour without the mess. This clever cutting board lies flat while you prep, then folds up to funnel ingredients straight into your pot or pan. No more losing half your veggies on the counter. The textured surface is gentle on knives, while non-slip feet keep it steady as you work. Lightweight, sturdy, and dishwasher safe, it's a kitchen upgrade you'll use every day. Hosting just got easier with this folding 3-tier fruit and dessert stand. Its layered design makes it perfect for showing off fruits, pastries, or candies while keeping everything neatly organized. When you're done, it folds flat to save space, ideal for small kitchens or apartments. With a sturdy handle for easy carrying and a modern look, it doubles as both a storage solution and a stylish table centerpiece. Chopping veggies doesn't have to be a workout. This portable electric cutter slices, dices, and even whisks with just one button. Drop in garlic, chilies, or ginger, and it cuts them evenly in seconds, straight into the pot. It even comes with an egg and cream beater for quick baking prep. When you're done, add soap and water for a fast self-clean. Cooking just got effortless. Boilovers can turn cooking into a sticky mess, but not anymore. This clever silicone lid keeps pots from spilling over while you cook pasta, rice, or soup. Just place it on top and watch it stop foam and liquid from bubbling out. It doubles as a splatter guard too, so frying stays neat and clean. Heat resistant, easy to wash, and ready to handle your kitchen chaos with zero fuss. Tired of grabbing hot pan handles with a towel? These silicone handle covers slip right over your cookware to keep your hands safe and your grip secure. Heat-resistant and non-slip, they fit snugly on cast iron, skillets, or woks without sliding around. Easy to pop on and off, they give you comfort, safety, and peace of mind while cooking your favorite meals. Counting calories just got a whole lot easier. This smart kitchen scale doesn't just weigh your food, it calculates nutrients too. Connect it to the free app and track calories, protein, carbs, fats, and more across your meals. With a huge food database and the option to add your own items, you're always in control. Sleek stainless steel makes it durable and easy to clean, perfect for everyday use. Stuck on a stubborn jar lid again? This clever under-cabinet opener makes the job effortless. Just slide the lid into the V-shaped teeth, give it a twist, and it pops right open, no strength required. It handles everything from tiny spice caps to big pickle jars. Perfect for anyone with weak hands or arthritis, and it's hidden neatly under your cabinet so it's always ready when you need it. Meet the little table that follows you everywhere. This C-shaped design slides right under your couch or bed, giving you the perfect spot for a laptop, meal, or book. The top tilts to different angles, so you can read or work comfortably without awkward neck strain. Smooth wheels let you roll it wherever you need it. Compact, sturdy, and stylish, it's a small table with big versatility. Say goodbye to messy bags in the pantry. These airtight containers lock in freshness and keep your food safe from air and moisture. The wide spout makes pouring cereal, rice, or even pet food quick and easy, and the measuring cup on top helps you get just the right amount. Clear sides let you see what's inside at a glance. Durable, portable, and simple. You'll wonder how you ever organized without them. Too many dishes in the sink, but still need to drain pasta or wash fruit. These collapsible colanders have their own draining base, so water flows straight into the sink without making a mess. You get 3 sizes that handle everything from berries to big batches of pasta. When you're done, they collapse flat and stack neatly in a drawer. Handy, hygienic, and a total space saver. Cooking just got twice as easy. This double induction cooktop comes with 2 burners and a removable non-stick griddle, perfect for pancakes, steaks, or even a quick stir-fry. Touch controls let you pick from 9 power levels and set a timer up to 99 minutes. The sleek glass surface wipes clean in seconds, and the griddle pan pops right into the dishwasher. Portable, powerful, and space-saving, it's cooking made simple. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.